We are in a study about chemistry for class 9. In chemistry, you have 4 chapters. First, matter in our surrounding. Second, matter is pure or impure. Third, atom and molecules. And fourth, structure of atom. Its other name, atomic structure. We study about in serially first, second, third, and fourth. Note these chapters. We discussed chapter by chapter. First of chapter you have matter in our surrounding. First you have study about what is matter. मैटर मीन्स पदार्थ. पदार्थ हम किसे कहते हैं? तो हम सिंपली जानते हैं कि वैसे सबस्टांस या दो सबस्टांस हैविंग मास एंड ऑक्युपाइड space are called matter. That means the substance which have mass and cover the space is called matter. For example, gold, silver, iron, table, chair, etc. These are called matters because it have a mass or weight and occupied space. That means it's covered the space and volume. And the other substance which have no mass and no space occupied is not called matter. For example, kindness, happiness, riches, poor are not matter because it has no mass and no occupied space. Matters are divided in form of states. There are 5 states of matter. First, solid state. Second, liquid state. Third, gaseous state. Fourth, plasma. And fifth, BEC. Bose-Einstein state. There are 5 states of matters. 3 are general state, solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. And 2 are special state, plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate. Bose-Einstein condensate are the name of 2 great scientists, Satyendra Nath Bose and Albert Einstein. We discussed about state in the further ways one by one. Please note the chapters including topics in your notebooks. First, solid state. This substance has definite shape and size. This substance has definite shape and size, and its volume are fixed, is called solid state. For example, gold, iron, table, etc. It has fixed shape and size, and its space covering a fixed, so it is called solid state. Second stage has liquid state. This substance has no definite size and shape, but its volume be fixed, is called liquid state. For example, water, oil, blood, milk, etc. Water, oil, blood, milks are example of liquid state because its shape and size change its container shape, but its amounts or volume be fixed. 1 liter water or 1 liter oil has a change in shape in during container, buckets, glasses and other containers. So water, oil, blood and milks are example of liquid state. Third state have you gaseous state. In this state, the substance has neither shape and size fixed, nor volume. For example, air, fume, etc. are gaseous state because it has not a fixed shape and size and neither volumes. So there are three general states of the matter: solid state, liquid state, and gaseous state. Noted this in your notebooks. Other two states, plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate, that means BEC, in study higher classes. Plasma states are the fourth state of matters and Bose-Einstein condensate are the fifth state of matter. It will be the discovery of the sciences in higher classes you study in more details. Now change of states in solid, liquid and gas. Changes of states. First, solid to liquid. Second, liquid to gas. Third, gas to liquid. Fourth, liquid to solid. In this process, solid change into liquid is called melting. When solid is changed into liquid, this process is called melting. For example, what ice change into water by heating is called melting, and this temperature is called melting point. Second, liquid change into gas. When liquid is changed into gas, this process is called evaporation or vaporization. For example, water changed into water vapor and the temperature is called boiling point or BP. The boiling point are different for the different liquids, oil, water, alcohol, etc. So we study about change of states, solid to liquid and liquid to gas in different way. Now, in other lessons, other classes, we study about liquid to gas, gas to solid, or gas to liquid.